What's up, guys? You guys are welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So today we are going to talk about Facebook monetization. I can see that many people are having difficulties with the Facebook monetization. So today I just want to pass an information, very quick one, because I don't want this video to be longer than what I expected. So over here, first of all, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this YouTube channel, you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my YouTube, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell as well. So if you're already a subscriber, you are welcome. So today I know that many of you are having serious challenge, especially the new update from Facebook based on the monetization aspect. Okay, now I just want to clear something very quick because I'm also a kind of victim of that. One of my page or one of my client page um, has gotten to the monetization level, but up to now, um, the person cannot still monetize. So I'm here to clear the air. You might be one of the person, or you might be facing such challenges, or maybe what I'm about to say might be a solution to you as well too. Though it is not a kind of, I'm not 100% saying that this is the challenges for all monetization issue, but it's one of the challenges. Now I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how you can overcome this. So I just hope you watch this video to the end, and if the video worth it, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share, and also comment if it works for you, and also comment if you think that is a better solution. Okay, so very quick one, let me go straight to the page and let me show you what I'm talking about. Now let me go to the page. This is the page. As you can see here, you will see that they said no monetization violation was made. As you can see here, that your page is able to earn money because it's following our partner monetization policy. But let's click on view page eligibility. Now, when you click on view page eligibility here, you will find out that the criteria was not met. Are you sure? Because I'm not sure, because the criteria are met. Okay, now let me just click on this view criteria. If I click on it, you'll find out that this is already complete. This particular one is complete as well, and as well the active videos are complete. But why can't I monetize? That's the question. Why can't I monetize? That's the reason why we're here. Now, before I go further into the problem, let me first of all give you an update. About last month or last 2 months, Facebook updated their in-stream ad. They added all of them together as what they call content ad or something. I can't actually figure out now, but that's exactly what they called it. They call it content ad, which we're going to see later in this video. Now, the rules there is that it is still on a testing mode. For those of us that are already monetized, we can still apply for this if we want. But once you apply, the other way you are earning will stop until they approve you on this aspect. But if you are not yet being monetized, you have to wait till it gets to your account, because it's a kind of an update they did that even though you have gotten to the monetization stage, you cannot still apply for it, because you just need to request. You need to request for it, and they will go through your page and let you know if you can start using the beta version of it. So without wasting much of time, let's practicalize this on the way we are going to go about it, because I've already done it for this page, but I'll still show you how to do that. Now let me close this. Now let me click on this in-stream ad, as you can see here, because we have what they call branded content, which we will talk about it later, but not in this video. So if you want me to talk about this branded content, just let me know in the comment section, then I will make a video on that. Now let's click on this in-stream ads. So once we click on this in-stream ad, it's going to load over here. As you can see now, they said in-stream ad is now part of our content monetization. Can you see that? Now they gave you many ways you can earn, which include the bonus revenue. If you don't know what bonus revenue is, nowadays you can earn just like the way you earn on your X, or you call it on your Twitter. Now, you know, on Twitter, the way you earn is more comments you are having on your tweets, or yes, more comments you are having on your tweet. There's some ad that has been added there that will be generating revenue for you. So Facebook have already introduced that. It is already been done before, but not for everybody, and they are still is still on a beta mode. Now, each time you are having a lot of comment, they will be dropping ads within that comment, and as they are dropping those ads within that comment, your revenue is also coming. They call it a bonus. Yes, bonus revenue, I think that's what they call it. So now you can also earn from your reels. As you are having more views on your reels, you can be having more income as well, and you'll be earning from your normal in-stream ad, which is the one that displays and played like a 15 seconds or 5 seconds video when people are watching your video. Okay, so you also earn from that section. So now over here, if you click on these settings, this is where you're supposed to start applying or some settings you are going to see. But if I click on it right now, I'm not going to see anything. It's just going to be blank, which means this page, they have not accepted it to start applying for the beta version. Understand? So when I talk about beta, I'm not talking about BETTER. I'm talking about BETA. So beta version, like something that they don't want to put it public yet for everybody to start using. They are picking some pages or some accounts that will be using it for now before they now make it, that will be test running it before they will now make it public for everybody. Okay, so that's exactly what I mean. So now how can we go about it? So if your page have this particular thing that I made mention here, over here, that your page is already due for monetization and you are not still yet seeing that sign up button or setup button or wherever button, what you just have to do is to click on this in-stream ads. Then you now click on this learn more button. Okay, so once you click on this learn more button, a page is going to display. Now that page that is going to display, this is where we are going to work on. Okay, so please pay attention. Now we are going to read these things. You're going to read all these things here that they are showing you here. So once you are done reading it, just for you to understand what in-stream ad is, everything is like what the content monetization, you can see here they wrote it that the content monetization beta combines 3 existing Facebook monetization programs. Have you seen it? Because these monetization programs are already existing. That's why I said earlier that people are already earning from it, but they just combine it together to call it content monetization. Okay, which include in-stream ads, which monetize your videos, ads on your reels, which monetize your reels, and performance bonus program, which monetize your video, photo, and text all together. Even though you post, you just tweet, just the way you do on tweets. Once you just post on your Facebook page and you have more comment and other things, you can also earn money from it. Okay, so that's simply what they mean here. Now, this is the eligibility for the Facebook content monetization. You just have to go through all these things. Okay, so now this is where we are going to work on. But before we come to this place, let's jump to this earn money on multiple content format first. Now, earn money on multiple content format is this. Just go through it, read it. It is not that necessary, but it is just okay for you to know what you are going into. Okay, for you to earn, they're just telling you what you have to know, which is making sure that you are following their policy and their content monetization policy, making sure your Facebook doesn't have any copyright policy, and so many other things. If you have any such of these, just delete the post or delete it entirely so that they can be able to monetize you. So you can also go through those things here as well, because like I said earlier, I don't want this video to be too long, so that I don't want to bore anybody here. But what we'll have to do now is, under this eligibility for Facebook content monetization, just read through it if you think and believe that your page is due for monetization. So look at this. They say interest form. You can see here they say if you have not received an invite, you can express interest via our interest form. Note, this is not an application and it does not guarantee that you will be invited into the beta. Like I said earlier, this is a beta version, so they have not started accepting everybody. Okay, but if you think your page is due already, just send them, click on this box, which we are going to do very soon right now. So you click on it to tell them that, okay, my page is due and I would like to be in the beta version till when it is public. Okay, but they are not giving you guarantee that they are going to accept you. They will check your page, check it, know how your page is, how good it is. Even though if it is good, if they check, because all this beta version of a thing, it is limited to some numbers. So if the numbers have already been accepted for them to test run it, then that is just it. You just have to wait till when it is public. Okay, so now what we are going to do here is to click on this interest form. So once this page loads, what we're going to do is just to scroll down. Once you just scroll down here, then you're going to see this box that will request for your email address. So if you over here, they're going to tell you what this email address is for. They say associated with the Facebook account you would like to be invited to. Understand? So the email address that is associated to the Facebook account you would like to be invited to, which means the email address you used to open your Facebook account. Then over here, you are going to put the link to your Facebook page, the link to your Facebook page or your profile if you are on professional mode and this is your professional mode account that is already due for monetization. Then you can paste the link of your Facebook page or your professional mode account, the URL, okay, the URL to your profile. So that's what you're going to paste here. Then other social media accounts, you can put it here. Now if you have an established presence on other social media platforms like Twitter, Instagram, any other social media account at all that you have presence on it, then you can put the link here and you separate them with comma. Okay, so if you put the first link, if you have more, separate, but I think I will recommend just post one that you think you are more popular on it, but you can actually separate them with comma if you want, if you have more and more and more of them. Okay, so once you're done with all those things, what you have to do is just to click let's do this, and once you click on that, they are going to show you a message to tell you that they have received your request. Then you now await their response. Okay, so you now await their response. So that's just how you can go about all this monetization issue. Like I said, there might be other issue that can cause or that will make them not to show you that particular button to set up your monetization or in-stream ads. That might be, but I'm just saying that I think at least 90% of the reason might be this one. So any other issue that will be based on your content, okay, or based on the kind of post you do, copyright issues and other things. And that's the reason why at the first I showed you guys how you can read through the terms and conditions and make sure that your post or your page actually tally with their terms. Okay, it's very important you do that, because if you did not do that, you might be just doing things the wrong way, and it's somehow tiring that you work hard to build up your page and at the end of it you are not being monetized. Because I know that 90% or 95% of people doing all content creation of a thing and other things are actually targeting the money, because they're actually targeting the money because that's actually the goal. Okay, so please, when you are doing your content creation on Facebook or any other platform, always first of all read their terms and conditions and make sure you are actually posting the right way. Okay, so like I said, if you want me to talk about the brand content that I showed you earlier, you can just let me know in the comment section, then I will create a video on that. And as well, also if you see this video very helpful, please don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to share this video as well. And if you have anything to say about this video, maybe there is some places I got it wrong, or there is or you did it and it worked out for you, or you have any other better solution, you are free to let us know in the comment section. And please don't forget, like I said, don't forget to like this video, because it will only help me. I'm doing all those things for free, so liking the video, commenting on the video, and sharing the video will help YouTube algorithm to actually push this video to other people to also see it. So help me with that. And if you're not yet a subscriber of this YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure you click on that bell icon to receive notification each time we drop a video, a premium content just like the one you're watching right now. Okay, so that you will not be left behind. So I wish to see you guys on my next in my next video. Okay, so for now, peace out.